baby things.
High chair.
High chair.
Do you sit in a high chair when you are eating?
Rattle.
Rattle.
You can make noise by shaking a rattle.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Dad gives the baby a milk bottle at night so Mom can sleep. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Do you like to sleep with your teddy bear? High chair.
High chair. Rattle.
Rattle.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Us. Or. If. Us. Or.
If,
It. Do.
He.
Actions. Hug.
Hug. Hug.
The girl hugs a teddy bear in her arms.
Clap.
Clap. Clap.
Can you clap your hands?
Cry.
Cry. Cry.
I cry when I am hurt.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
We close our eyes when we sleep. Hug.
Hug.
Clap.
Clap. Cry.
Cry.
Sleep.
Sleep.
D. 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 Desk. Desk. D. Dig. Dig. D. Dog. Dog.
Words start with D.
Did.
Dive. Door.
Doll.
Desk.
Deck. Choose the picture that goes with the word. Fantastic! High chair. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Milk bottle.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Clap.
Can you point to?
Rattle.
Awesome!
Rattle. Can you point to? Hug. That's right. Hug.
Can you pick out? Sleep. Fantastic! Sleep. Can you point to? Do. Awesome!
Can you point to?
Or.
Awesome!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.